You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll love hearing and learning from. Bullied. Let's break it down. The first syllable is a boo sound. Boo, stress on that boo syllable. And then lead. Bullied. English pronunciation. How to pronounce bullied. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.